In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly change the aspect ratio in CapCut PC. If you need to switch a project from a widescreen YouTube layout to a vertical format for short-form content, or even a square format for social media, CapCut makes it very fast. This is one of the simplest adjustments you can make, and once you know where the settings, you can change the entire look of your project in just a few clicks. To begin, look directly underneath the central preview player window in CapCut. There you'll find the ratio button. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, a menu will appear showing several popular screen formats. This is the quickest place to control how your video canvas is shaped, so if you ever need to reformat content for different platforms, this is the main tool you'll use. Next, choose the format that matches where your video is going. If you're creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, select 9:16. That gives you the tall vertical frame commonly used for mobile viewing. If you're making a standard widescreen video, choose 16:9. For square posts, such as certain Instagram layouts, click 1:1. And if you want a more cinematic, film-style appearance, you can choose 2.351. The nice thing here is that CapCut updates the preview canvas instantly, so you can see the change right away with a single click. After changing the ratio, take a moment to check how your footage fits inside the new frame. Depending on the original shape of your clip, you may notice black bars appearing around the video. If that happens, click on your clip in the timeline, then go to the video section and open Basic in the top right panel. From there, increase the scale setting to zoom in and help the clip fill more of the frame. This is especially useful when turning horizontal footage into a vertical format. If you don't want to crop in too much, there's another option. Scroll down to Canvas and choose Blur. This fills the empty space around your footage with a soft, blurred version of the background, which looks much cleaner and more polished than plain black bars. It's a great choice when you want to preserve as much of the original video as possible while still matching the new aspect ratio. And that's it. Once your canvas looks right and your footage fits properly, you're done.